First, we need to download software from Google Drive link. After that, open the folder and extract this zip folder. Click on extract all and click on extract. So after that, this will be open in folder. Then double click on that. So first you need to click on Crystal Report installer. Double click on that. After that, you see the pop-up. Then click on yes. So within seconds, this setup will be installed. So after that, we will be install Hargun Soap billing software. And after that, you can click more info and run anyway. Just click next and I agree. After that, next, finish. Okay. So after that, finish the installation. We just double click on the software icon. So we are going to desktop. So HS billing icon is showing on desktop. So we just double click on that. When we are open, then activation key required. So you need to share this product ID to developer. Okay. Maybe this WhatsApp number. Okay. So after that, click on activate. So we are open again the software. Then login window will be open. So we can log in admin is a small. Okay. So if you facing the issue like this .NET framework, so you just click on no, and after that search the control panel, and after that going to program and features and click on turn windows feature. Okay, so you just checked these three check boxes and click on OK. So after that, window will be updated. So one pop-up will be so let's window update. Okay. So after that finishing this window update, you can try this installer Harun Soap billing software. So this is a process, full process how can install HS billing software. Thank you.